Okay, we're going to finish section 5.7. Question 10, we're going to divide the polynomials. I've already written the polynomial long division over to the right. First thing we need to ask is negative 2a squared times what gives us negative 2a to the fourth? And the answer is a squared. So if I multiply by a squared, negative 2a squared plus 3a minus 3, and I'm actually going to multiply, I need to subtract those, what I'm going to get when I multiply that. So I'm going to go ahead and put the negative out front before I multiply. So I get positive 2a to the fourth. Then I get negative 3a cubed. Then I get positive 3a squared. All right. Negative 2a to the fourth plus 2a to the fourth is gone. 9a cubed minus 3a cubed is 6a cubed. Negative 18a squared plus 3a squared is negative 15a squared. And then bring down the 18a minus 9. Okay, negative 2a squared times negative 3a would give me 6a cubed. So I'm going to multiply by the opposite of that. So I'm going to multiply by 3a times negative 2a squared plus 3a minus 3. I get negative 6a cubed plus 9a squared minus 3a. 6a cubed minus 6a cubed is gone. Negative 15a squared plus 9a squared is negative 6a squared plus 15a minus 9. One more time. Negative 2a squared times 3 gives me negative 6a squared. So I want to multiply by negative 3 times negative 2a squared plus 3a minus 3. I get 6a squared minus 9a plus 9. 15a minus 9a is 6a. So my answer will be a squared minus 3a plus 3 plus 6a over the divisor negative 2a squared plus 3a minus 3. That is my answer. Number 11 says, can synthetic division be used to divide 3x to the fifth minus 3x squared plus x minus 15 by the binomial x squared minus 3, and to explain why or why not? Let's see the prompts that they give you. I'm going to tell you right now, no, and it's because the divisor is not in the form x minus r. If you look up here, this is a problem. It's not just x, it's x squared. So you cannot use synthetic division to divide those polynomials. Number 12, the following table represents the result of a synthetic division. Use x as the variable. Identify the divisor. Okay, for the divisor will be x minus negative 2, which is x plus 2. Identify the quotient. For the quotient, you get that down here. Oops, can't see that. You get that down there, and it's going to be constant x squared. I'm going to go ahead and put an x there and an x squared here. The quotient will be 1x squared minus 2x minus 4. And then for the remainder, you get that here. The remainder is 11. I don't know if they want you to do 11 or if they want you to do 11 over x plus 2. I don't know what the computer program will want. but this is where you get the remainder. All right. Number 13 says to divide by using synthetic division. So this is the first time we've ever had to go set one up. Okay, I need to get it in decreasing powers of x. So it looks like x cubed is the biggest. I'm going to write a 3. Then x squared, 14. Then the x term, 32. And last, the constant term, 23. In the half box, okay, I need to solve this for x. I have x plus 3 equals 0. I need to subtract 3 from both sides. So x equals negative 3. Negative 3 is what goes in the half box. I'm going to drop that first number straight down. Then to go back up, I have to multiply 3 times negative 3. I multiply this number times that number. I get negative 9. Now I'm going to add going straight down again. 14 plus negative 9 is 5. To get back up, I have to do 5 times negative 3. I get negative 15. Then I'm going to go down again. 13 minus 15 is 17. Then to get back up, I have to do 17 times negative 3. And that's going to be negative 51. And then I go down again. 23 minus 51 is negative 28. That's my remainder. So my answer would be, let's see, 17x squared. It will be 3x squared plus 5x plus 17 minus 28 over x plus 3. Number 14, divide using synthetic division. All right, let's go set it up again. X cubed, the number out front is 1. Negative x squared, so the number out front is negative 1. I don't see an x term, so I have to put a 0. And then the constant is negative 4. If I solve x minus 2 equals 0 for x, I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So I get x equals 2. 2 goes in the little half box. Now remember, we just add going down, and then we multiply by the number in the half box to get back up. I go down, I get 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 times negative 2 is 4. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Look, I have a 0 remainder. So my answer, 2, 1x, 1x squared. My answer is going to be x squared plus 1x plus 2. That's my answer. Number 15, divide by using synthetic division. Okay, x to the 5th is the highest exponent. So I have 1x to the 5th. I don't have x to the 4th, so 0. I don't have x cubed. I don't have x squared. I don't have x. And then I have the constant negative 1024. If I set x minus 4 equal to 0 and add 4 to both sides, I get x equals 4. So 4 goes in my half box. If I drop straight down 1, 1 times 4 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 0 plus 16 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. 0 plus 64 is 64. 64 times 4 is 256. 0 plus 256 is 256. And one more time, 256 times 4 is 1,024. Negative 1,024 plus 1,024 is 0. My remainder is 0 again. Now watch how I do these, do the answer. Remember, this is a constant. I need to put an x, x squared, x cubed, x to the fourth. So my answer is 1x to the fourth plus 4x cubed plus 16x squared plus 64x plus 256. Number 16, divide using an appropriate method. I like synthetic division. I think it's pretty quick and simple. So I'm going to use that. X cubed, the number out front is -3. For x squared, the number out front is 18. For x, the number out front is 7. And the constant is -110. For the half box, if I set x minus 5 equal to 0, I get x equals 5. So I'm going to put 5 in the half box. Here we go. -3, bring it down. -3 times 5 is -15. 18 minus 15 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 7 plus 15 is 22. 22 times 5 is 110. -110 plus 110 is 0. The remainder is 0. For the quotient, 22, 3x, -3x squared. My answer is -3x squared plus 3x plus 22. And that's the end of the homework set.